In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make around $5 every 5 minutes using one of the craziest methods that you have ever seen. If you take a look right here, you can see I already made over $900 doing this, and it's so simple that literally anybody can do this. And not only that, you don't have to show your face anywhere on the internet for this to work. You don't have to invest a single cent of your own money into this, and the best part is, in order to make money with this method, you don't even have to sell anything. In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process how to set this method up. I'm going to show you all the tools that you're going to need, all the websites that you're going to be using completely for free. So if you're looking forward to this, make sure to smash that like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm so I can spread this message to as many people as possible. And also to never miss out on any of my future uploads, just make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell as well, so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, I can notify you immediately and you get to watch it right away. And now let's just start with the step-by-step method. So first of all, what you want to do is just go to Google and you are going to be doing some searching. What are you going to be searching for? Is exactly this. Go to Google and search for PNG egg. Just hit search and go to this website right here that's called pngegg.com. This is not a necessary step. You can use any other similar website like this, but I'm using this one and it has proven to be well worth it. And what this website actually is, it's a stock website where you can find PNGs of anything that you may think of. You can see right here you can download all of these PNGs, for example this WhatsApp logo, this the Beatles logo, this logo of a fashion model or something, and you can see there's so many PNGs right here that if you're looking for some to download, just go to this website. I highly recommend it even for other projects, not just for this method. I've been using it for a while and I always find something that I could use in my projects. But if you don't want to use PNG, just go ahead and search for a similar website, but make sure it's a high quality one because we are going to be doing some searching, and what we are searching for is coffee logo. Just search for coffee logo or something like that, then hit enter, and what you want to do is just download a bunch of logos that are not mainstream brands. You want to download something that's resembling coffee or coffee shop or anything like that, but don't go for this Starbucks or any other brand that you may find, for example this coffee house. You don't want to use anything like that. What you want to do is download some of these, like for example this cup of coffee right here. Just click on it, scroll all the way down here, click on download PNG for free, then just click on I am human, and you need to do a little human verification. And if you take a look at this, you just need to click these letters in order that's displayed right here, for example B, L, T and Z. So just go B, L, T and Z, and it's going to download to your computer. Now what you want to actually do is just go ahead and download a bunch of these logos. You may want to get like this one right here, download. After you complete the human verification for the first time, you don't have to do that anymore, so that's pretty nice advantage of this site. But basically what you want to do is just download a bunch of these cups of coffee logos. For example, go like 5, and let's get this one as well. Okay, that should be enough. What you want to do then is just go back to the search bar and you want to look for something that you may want to use to create a logo of a coffee shop with. So for example, we have downloaded all the coffee cups. What you want to search for is something like coffee shop logo, and you want to look for something that could be used to create a coffee shop logo, but not the mainstream one. So for example, if you're going to download this picture right here, this could be made into a neat little coffee shop logo with a bit of creativity, and that's exactly what we are looking for. Just download this as well, and let's get a bunch of more. So for example, I'm going to go back, let's get these beans right here too. And by the way, all of these PNGs are completely free. You can use them in any project that you want. You can share them freely and all that good stuff, so don't worry about downloading anything that you like on this website. And let's just grab one more right here. Just click on download right here, simply download it to your computer, and once you get a bunch of these logos, what you want to do is do the same thing but for a different niche. We were looking for coffee shop logos. Now what you want to look for is something like motorcycle logo or something that's completely in a different niche. So just hit and search on whatever you want to look for, and again, don't go for these branded ones. Don't go for Harley Davidson, KTM, Yamaha. Don't go for any of these. What you want to do is download a bunch of logos that have no affiliation with the brand whatsoever. So for example, if I'm going to scroll all the way down here, I can see this nice bike right here. I'm just going to download that. Then I have found this logo right here. I'm going to download that one as well, and also let's get this one just for good measure so we have enough of them. Just download it to your computer, and once again, once you download a couple of these images for like 5 or 6, just go ahead and do this for another niche. Download logos for 3 or 4 different niches. So for example, this time search for perfume logo or something like that. Then just go ahead and download a bunch of these images that are not affiliated with any other brand. For example, just go with this one right here. For example, this one again, you can use this one, something that has nothing to do with any other major brand out there. You want these images to be as simple as possible and also to not carry any brand so far. Then what you want to do is just go to Google and look for Google Drive and hit search. Now obviously if you have a Google account, you have Google Drive where you can store some files, and as you can see right here, you get 15 gigabytes of free data, free storage that you can use for whenever you want. So for this method, we are going to be utilizing Google Drive. So just go there, and what you want to do is click on new right here and click on new folder. Now you need to name it something, and I highly recommend that you use exactly this name right here. Designer hire stock logos. Then just click on create a folder. Then just go inside that folder, and what you want to do is create like 3 or 4 new folders based on the niches of the logos you have created. So for example, we have got coffee logos, we have got motorcycle logos, and for the sake of not making this video too long, I'm just going to show you how to do this with these two, but you just go ahead and create a separate folder for each types of logos you have created. So for example, if you have downloaded logos for skydiving, create skydiving logo. If you have grabbed a bunch of tattoo art logos, just go ahead and name your folder tattoo art logo or something like that. You get the point. Then what you want to do is go into each of these folders and you want to paste there the logos you have downloaded from PNG Egg. Do this for all of the folders that you have created. Then once you do that, just go to the homepage of the Google Drive and click on this folder right here where you set the designer hire. Right click on it, and what you want to do is click on share. Then in this part right here where it says general access, you may want to select anyone with the link. Set it to anyone with the link, then just click on copy link right here and save it into a notepad or somewhere where you will be able to access it later. Then what you want to do is just click on done right here. Next you want to go to Google Sites, just click on Google Sites right here, click on create a blank page, and here you need to do just 2 things. Go to this section right here where it says untitled site and type in there something like designer hire logo stock. Then what you want to do is just simply place a text box right here and write in there exactly this. Click the link below to download logo stock material. Then just go ahead and customize this font a little bit, so make it like larger, change the font to something like title, and also the font should be something professional like this, and also I'm going to change the color of the text to black. Then just position it in the center, then place another text box right underneath it and write in there, due to large amounts of bot spam traffic, human verification may be required. Then just place another text box right underneath and write in there this, because now this will look like a clickable link. This is pretty much all you need to do on Google Sites, but just don't close it yet, because what you want to do, so that's pretty much all you need to do on Google Sites. And now I'm going to show you how to actually make money with this process that we've been doing so far. For that, simply just go to ogads.com. Just go to ogads.com, and if you're new here, just sign up for your free account. Once you complete the registration process, it's going to take a while for your account to get approved. Then what you want to do is just simply click on login and log into your account. And then if you go to the offer section right here, you can see there's a huge variety of CPA offers that are paying anywhere between $2 to $3. Now as you can see, these offers can only be promoted in United States, but it's not going to be a problem because I'm going to give you a traffic source that's specifically designed to be promoted in the United States, and it's literally impossible for any other traffic to get to your links. So every click that you get to your link, it's guaranteed to come from United States. And potentially for each of these clicks, you can get paid anywhere between $2 to $3, which is pretty exciting because as you can see right here, most of these offers require just email submit. So every time somebody's going to come to the link with a CPA offer, they just need to fill in their email address, and there's high chance they're going to do that because of this simple folder we have created and this simple landing page that we have created as well. And now if this is not making any sense right now, just stick with me for a while guys, because now comes the best part where I'm going to show you how to actually put this all together and start making money with it. So what you want to do is just simply go to this toolbar right here, click on tools and click on a content lockers. Now we need to create a simple content locker to be able to make money with this. So just click on create a content locker, and the process is extremely simple. What you want to do is just name it something, for example logo locker or something like that. You can entirely skip this notes field, that's just for your own reference. Then just simply scroll all the way down here where it says unlock action and make sure to select redirect to another URL. And in this redirect URL field, you want to paste the link to the Google Drive. So just go back to either Google Drive, click on get link again, copy the link, or either go to the notepad where you have saved it. Basically what you want to do is just copy this link and paste it into this redirect URL field right here. That's pretty much all you need to do here. Then just simply click on create a locker, and you can see your lockers created right here. Then what you need to do is just go to this section where it says action, click on actions and view details, and in this details section you need to copy this link right here. This is all you need to do here on OG Ads. Just copy the link, then go back to this Google site and select this blue download here button that we have created. Then just simply click on this link button and paste the link to your OG Ads locker there. Click on apply, and that's pretty much all you need to do on Google Sites as well. Then just simply click on publish, and you want to name your site something that's going to resemble the logo designer hiring angle. So if you have put the title of the name in already, you will get this suggestion already how your link is going to supposed to look like. If you want to change that, just go ahead. I'm just going to stick with this. Then just click on publish, go to this publish site, and it's going to look something like this. Very simple, very easy landing page, and all you need to do is just copy its link. Once you have copied the link to this site, now I'm going to show you the right traffic source to use with this method that has laser targeted traffic from United States. And the best part about this traffic source is you don't have to pay a single cent out of your money for this, and people from United States are going to be coming to this link. And the website is called classifiedads.com. Just go to this website, classifiedads.com, and as you can see right here, this is a huge advertisement website that's hosting ads for anything and everything, ranging from job offers to items for sale to pets or even real estate and vehicles and other services. So this is a huge advertising website, and if you're going to check it out through SimilarWeb, you can see that it gets over 683,000 monthly visitors from United States. So this is the right place to advertise this type of offer. So this is the right place to advertise this type of CPA offer available in United States only. And what you want to do here, just simply click on post an ad for free. Then just in this category section, you need to select jobs, and also subcategory should be creative jobs, because we are going to actually post an ad for a logo designer. So in this location, type any city that you want in the United States. So for example, let's go with New Orleans, Louisiana. And what you want to do here is just simply post an ad looking for a logo designer, and it should look something like this: startup company hiring logo designers. Then just go ahead and write something like this: brand new startup company is looking for logo designers in New Orleans area. To apply, please use the materials included in this ad to create the best possible logo for each category and send the results to. And now you may want to put some dummy email address right here because you don't want to be receiving those logo designs. All you want to do is just for people visit this website right here. Then what you want to do is write something that's going to look like this: to apply, click here. You will be redirected to Google Drive with the trial stock logo material. Then what you want to do is just simply select this text right here, go to this link, click on link, and here you need to paste the link to your Google site, to this Google site that you have created. Just get this link again if you don't have it, paste it into this URL field, then just simply click on OK, and just like that, this becomes a clickable button. Now every time somebody is going to potentially apply for this logo designer job that we have created, all they need to do is just simply click here to get the stock logo materials that are required to apply for this job. They're going to come to this landing page we have created. They're going to click this link to download files, but because there's huge amount of bot spam traffic to this link, they will need to complete a human verification, and that's where you get paid. So simply to post this ad, all you need to do is just fill in something right here in this name section, for example. Then also go ahead and use the same email address that you have used in the article. And now comes the tricky part. You can't post this advertisement without filling a valid US phone number and a valid US zip code. Now you don't have to be from United States to be able to do this method, but if you are from United States, this is a very simple process. But obviously most of you will probably not want to put your phone number in this. So what you want to do is just go to a website that's called bestrandoms.com. Just go to Best Randoms, and what you want to do here is just simply select a state that you want to create a phone number and a zip code for. So for example, I've been doing this for New Orleans, Louisiana, so I'm just going to select Louisiana, and the city should be New Orleans. Then just simply go down here and click on generate, and you will get a bunch of these New Orleans addresses along with a phone number that you can use for this advertisement to be posted correctly. So just go ahead and simply select one of these. So for example, let's copy this number right here, go back to classified ads, paste it there, then just copy this zip code right here, paste it in this section. Okay, now you may want to select how long this advertisement will be posted on this site. The longer, the higher chance you're going to be making money with this in the future as well. So just go ahead and select 9 months or whatever type period you want to use, and then just fill in this captcha right here. And also it may be a good idea to upload one of the logos as an image for this ad, so it's going to look a little bit more shiny. So just simply click on choose a file and upload one of the logos as the poster for this ad. All you need to do then just simply post ad, and it's going to look something like this: a simple advertisement for New Orleans area that's containing some information about hiring possibly logo creators, and all the potential appliers need to click this button anyway. They will be taken to this site, they will click on this page right here, and they will need to fill it in order to be able to access the logos for download. And for each of these completions, you will be paid anywhere between $2 to $3 simply because they will complete a simple human verification process. Now what you want to do is just simply go ahead and post this simple ad for as many cities in the United States as you possibly can. You can do this for any major city, any minor city, any area, and you don't even have to be thinking about them. What you want to do is just go to Best Randoms, select any state that you want. So for example, let's select Florida. Okay, you don't have to select any city. Click on generate, and it's going to give you a bunch of Florida addresses along with the phone number that you can use to post this ad correctly. Just go ahead and do this for each of these postcodes, then just select different city, different state. You've got literally thousands of possible opportunities to post this advertisement, and that means you can get so many clicks to your content locker that there's no way you're not going to make any money with this. And that's the method for today, guys. Just go ahead, take action on this, put it to work, and after you do make some money with it, return to this video and do let me know down in the comments how much money you have made using this. Now if you're hungry for some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.